respond to file the written argument on behalf of the state.
Yes, my lord.
Responded. As prayed for, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship may grant us a liberty, my lord, to give a reply to their objection, my lord, because nothing is on record, my lord. So they haven't filed their written argument also till now, my lord. So whatever.
After I file, if they choose to.
My lord.
You first give a advance copy.
Yes, my lord.
And you can
In case anything, my lord, Lordship may grant us to file a reply.
Apply.
From the release, item number 1.
seems like 2M. 1 and 2 is connected, so we'll have to take 2 first.
Lordship? Yes, yes. Today I'm filing the objection, Lordship.
Counter affidavit.
Lordship?
You're filing your counter?
Yeah, I'll give a copy to you. Copy for the petitioner.
Have you filed it?
Yeah, almost filed. Done.
Mr. Ibora Leonard, counsel for the. You're also for
Respondent number 5.
Respondent number 5. Respondent number 5 has filed the counter affidavit. Counter affidavit in this case. The Mr. Leonard, counsel for the petitioner, has sought for time to file the rejoinder if so required. Accordingly, this is matter of 2 weeks.
After 3 weeks, Lordship?
3 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship. Item number 3.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, can
Lordship, this is that matter where we've sought for transfer of the pending cases before the District Council Court. So it was moved on the last occasion, the Lordship, we had prayed for 3 weeks' times because there was likelihood that a new incumbent will join because the exams has already been conducted. Now the interview has not been held to my instructions. In my humble submission, Your Lordship, maybe this will take time. So my humble prayer is that the matter be transferred to July, Lordship.
My Lord, my instructions are that we seek 2 weeks' time since the selection process is underway. We have been instructed that way, my Lord.
It's only the District Council who can give us a fair idea like what happened.
But they have not been made parties.
No. But it's a title suit, so I will make the District Council a party.
No, as far as only on the aspect of transfer.
Yes,
Though it's not necessary to make them parties.
not necessary.
But under the circumstances, as you have pointed out, that there is a recruitment process
Perhaps
underway.
if we have a standing council around, he will give us a fair idea.
Yes, so that will, because as you have rightly pointed out, if there is an incumbent who is competent to take up the matter,
Yes,
it would be a futile exercise,
we send it to July.
an expensive exercise for the matter to be transferred. What is the stage of the case?
Stage of the case here, what has happened, Lordship, is that a suit was filed. We're still in the appeal stage against some developmental work which we have filed. Against that, the order was in our favor, then the other side went on appeal. So the appeal was pending before the former additional judge, Emertent.
You said there is a title suit.
Yes.
That title suit has been disposed of.
No, still pending.
Okay. So the appeal is
It's only on some interim orders.
interim orders. And who is the presiding officer as far as the trial court, the suit is concerned?
Presiding officer, now, Your Lordship, because the matter is pending before the appellate court, it was pending before former additional judge Emertent. Because against that order which they have appealed, there's an order passed by. Now she's sitting as additional judge, Madam L.W. Pira.
Okay.
When the appeal was pending, she was elevated as additional judge.
So she, okay, during her tenure as the
Presiding officer.
presiding officer,
Yes.
she had taken up the suit,
Yes.
or the title suit. Now, is there any presiding officer?
They are these new incumbents.
Okay, they are in place.
They are in place.
Have this matter been
Not yet been taken up because
any-
now we are on the appeal stage. In the appeal stage, neither L.W. Pira can take up nor S.B. Latama.
We are not on that. The fact remains that, you see, now a situation may arise when even if we wait for an incumbent to be appointed or a new appointee to be appointed, what happens is if eventually there is no competent presiding officer to take up the matter, then
They can take up. There are 3 of them. If one also succeeds, because many of them have appeared in the exams for the additional judge. So if one of them is appointed, 2 are still there who can take up the matter. Because if it's transferred to Juwa, it's remanded back, then it comes back to Shillong.
exactly.
My Lord, if 2 weeks' time can be given as per our instructions.
We'll wait for 3 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship, then thereafter,
2 weeks
if nothing fruitful comes up, because the stay order is in their favor
Or in there.
by the appellate court.
2 weeks then. There are counsel for the parties, but the respective parties have apprised this court of the latest status as far as the selection process for the post of additional judge,
Your Lordship.
District Council Court, Shillong is concerned, to say that the stage in the selection process is for the interview to be conducted, interview of the successful candidates to be conducted. So, therefore, in the context of the case of the parties herein, it would be appropriate to await the result of such selection so as not to create any inconvenience to the parties herein. Accordingly, under such circumstances, it is prayed that this matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks. Pray aloud. This matter to 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 5.
My lord, this matter pertains to the district selection committee's matters, my lord. On the last occasion, my lord, I have taken time to file a chart, my lord, whereby showing that how much the petitioners have scored and the private respondents have scored. My lord, I have tried to contact my clients, and then my clients won't be able to provide me the information. Why? Because now all the records are with the selection committees, my lord, with in the custody of them. To file an RTI, my lord, it will take some time. So therefore, what I would like to pray, my lord, is if my lord may be kind to direct the respondents to produce the records, the entire records, and once the records comes, my lord, give me the privy to go through. I will prepare the chart, my lord, and this will help in adjudication, my lord, because the matters now it comes to the locus. Second, that is one prayer, my lord, and the second prayer also, my lord, once the records comes, my lord, because I have been informed now newly also development, my lord, not a new development, my lord, it has come to my client's knowledge also that some of the candidates are not a domicile of the particular district. They are of course they are Garos, but they are domicile of Assam, my lord. It appears that they have claimed wrongly the domicile of that particular districts, my lord, East Garo Hills district, and secured a job, my lord. So this also, my lord, once I get the list there, my lord, and their credentials, my lord, I will be able to file an appropriate applications, my lord, also additional affidavit in whatever suitable, my lord. So if my lord may be pleased enough to call for the records, my lord, because once the selection was sub judice before my lord, therefore, my lord, I believe the records will be there. They will not destroy the records, my lord. My lord, that is only prayer today I would like to make, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, there is an RTI, your lordship. Should go for RTI, your lordship. Lordship, kindly see, your lordship, the allegation made in the writ petition, your lordship. It is the burden of the petitioner to prove that, your lordship. The burden lies heavily on them, your lordship.
Of course,
He cannot take advantage of the weakness of my case, your lordship. Assuming, your lordship, that I have a weak case, he cannot take advantage of that, your lordship. He should stand on his own foot. The petitioner should stand on their own foot, your lordship.
True.
Let the matter be heard first, your lordship. If record is necessary, your lordship, yes. because I am challenging their locus, your lordship. They were never successful whether they can challenge the appointment of the private respondent, your lordship. Let the matter be heard first, your lordship. If lordship during the course of the hearing on merits, if lordship find yes that the record are necessary, then at that time certainly lordship will have that power, your lord. I'm not saying that lordship does not have the power. Certainly lordship will have the power to summon the record for proper adjudication of the matter. Let the matter be heard first on merit, your lordship.
My lord, if
But what Mr. Shulai said is correct. Mr.
yes, it is very much correct. But my lord, just to remind all of us, my lord, on the last date it was heard on married, my lord, and when it has come to the question of locus, my lord, all of us felt the need of comparing.
Not all of us, your lordship. I'm not a party to
But
that.
it has fallen from my lord only, my lord, that this comparison has to be the chart. The chart has to this to in order to appreciate whether I have a locus or not, my lord. If I am securing more marks or are performing more better than the private respondents who have, then I definitely have a locus. And if I am in all the spheres, I am not securing more than them, I have no locus then. So the question that my senior is raising now, the concern that he is raising, that's exactly why my lord has directed me to prepare the report.
What is what have you stated in your affidavit?
Lordship, I can also refer from the writ petition only, your lordship. If lordship kindly have page 38.
Page 38.
Page 38 of the writ petition, your lordship.
Annexure P6.
Lordship, yes. Lordship, kindly see the 3. Code of mark for general and ST is physically handicapped 151.
Yes. Cut of mark is
200. Physical handicap is 151. This is
Lordship, yes.
This is an individual RTI which I file, and the purpose of filing.
Please allow me to make a submission. Lordship, kindly see code of mark for general SC and ST is 200. Then Lordship, kindly have the affidavit filed by the state. If Lordship kindly turn to page 26 of the affidavit.
Page 26. Page 26.
Lordship has got it. Page 26 of the affidavit, your lordship.
26.
Lordship has got it.
Statement of marks.
Lordship, yes. If Lordship kindly have serial roll number 3123, that is the writ petition, Prinkle K. Marak writ petition, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly see written test 195. The petitioner has not crossed even the code of mark, your lordship. They were never successful, lordship, in the written test, your lordship. How can they challenge, your lordship? I have to that, lordship.
So this is exactly what my lord wanted, my lord. I have not qualified. What about the private respondents, my lord? This is what I'm saying, my lord. Only call for the records. I'll prepare the chart, my lord. If assuming whatever.
The charge is there, your lordship.
Yes.
The charge is here, your lordship, in the affidavit filed by the state.
Yes, my lord.
If you see at the outset, if you admit that you are not qualified, then why would you go into all this exercise then? You don't have a case.
My lord, my lord, my first contention was, my lord. My lord will remember. My first contention was.
Okay, let's assume.
Yes.
For a while, let's assume that the private respondents
Yes.
have secured 190.
Yes. Yes.
They are not qualified.
They are not qualified. Yes.
But you have secured 195.
Yes.
Still not qualified.
Not qualified.
Then where will that leave you? You don't have a case.
No.
Whatever is, you see, whatever has happened to them,
Yes.
it is for somebody else to challenge their appointment, his, her, whatever.
Yes, my lord. My lord.
So what Mr. Shulai said is correct. You know,
Lordship,
you
please,
cannot,
judgment, your lordship.
you cannot rely on the
My lord,
weakness of their case.
No, exactly, my lord. I am not at all relying on the weakness of their cases, my lord. Kindly, lord, my lord, what the government is showing is only the marks in written exam, my lord. What about the marks obtained in typing speed? Typing speed.
Here, 38.
Yes. Typing speed is 38, 68, 41, my lord. These are.
Yeah.
And then why did they scale down from 30 words? Now they have to show also, my lord.
Okay. There's another issue.
Yes, that's the issue. That's the reason why we are saying they're only showing my weakness now. They're not. They're hiding their weakness, and they're telling me that why are you banking on my weakness?
You were saying that
They have scaled down.
The benchmark was
Yes.
was changed.
Yes. Subsequently, my lord, once the game started, they've changed.
Yes. Now I recall.
Yes. So therefore, my lord, now they cannot bank only on the strong point and say that you don't rely on my weak point. So there has to be a fairness in this. So that is the reason exactly why my lord has asked me to compare the chart. Yes.
Let's put it this way. If you have obtained 38
Yes.
under the the new the change circumstance,
Yes.
then had it been the previous or the initial marks that was spelled out,
Yes.
you would have secured more or qualified.
Yes. My
That's
lord.
your
Yes.
stand.
Yes. So now what happens, my lord, is why I am there's so much of evidences to show that, my lord, this is one part. Another one was that there were two results which has come out, my lord. Now, if somebody is playing scam or somebody is playing just playing in the internet also, my lord, how come most of the names which has come out as to be a fake result, the name also will come out in the real result? Then how come the names will come out? Who knows? These are the inside work. So there's so much of this is only the tip in the iceberg, my lord. So therefore, my lord, if that chart comes, my lord, why they are so scared to bring the records here, my lord? Because what in the service matter, the fairness is what we call
It's a hallmark of.
It's a hallmark, my lord. Yes, it's a hallmark. So what I'm saying is only fair. Let us be fair. Let us show the chart. If I don't qualify, I go away. It's okay, fine. But why should somebody benefit for somebody's self-interest in a public employment?
Anyway, Mr. Yubin,
Let the matter be heard.
as Mr.
Let the matter be heard, Lordship.
Matter will be heard. If this
Yes.
court,
Matter be
if
heard
this
by
court
our merits, Your Lordship.
Yes.
and we'll hear the argument of the
Yes, my
other
lord.
side, and then at the end of the day,
Yes.
if it is required for this court to go through the records,
Yes, my lord.
which would be in all probability,
My lord,
this
my
court
lord.
may have to go through the records.
My lord.
If there are contesting and conflicting,
Yes.
contentions,
Yes.
naturally.
My lord. So let it come after 2 weeks then for hearing. In the meantime, I'll make one endeavor also to, if I'm off the records, my lord, I'll ask my clients to just make an endeavor, my lord.
Okay. On premier petitioner, this is matter after
3 weeks, my lord, if it's 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Oblige.
Item number 6.
May it please Your Lordship. Lordship, in pursuance to the last order, Your Lordship, the state has filed the affidavit bringing on record, Your Lordship, the amount of money delivered, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship to
Pension.
be responsible.
Yes, my lord. Because so far the district council have been denying us pension on the ground that funds has not been released by the state. So now the state has filed for it.
Requires some time to take instructions to verify these amounts.
You are appealing for? You have to file the affidavit. Who is to file?
The state, my lord.
Oh, the state has to
Yes.
file.
Lordship, kindly
Yes.
call Your Lordship, because both of them they have passed the burden on my shoulder, Your Lordship.
No, my
So,
lord. I have
Lordship,
never passed any burden on anyone. We were just
they
demanding
say, Lordship, the state does not give us the share of revenue. They also say, Lordship.
I
So
didn't
I
say
filed the
anything,
affidavit, Your Lordship. I have
I think
disclosed.
earlier there was a similar matter.
Yes, the staff, my lord.
Not this time is the pensioners.
Pensioners, yes, my lord.
Lordship, we have been clearing all the whatever.
Mr. No, pure. You see, you are a practicing advocate. So the scope of earning for you is endless. Till you are 100 years old, you can still practice and still earn. Think of a salaried person.
90, around 90 crores
Think of-
has been
Think
released.
of a salaried person. His dependent is only on, subsistent rather, is only on his pension, his or her pension. Now, if that is gone, from where will they eat?
There's some backlog.
Whatever. But the point is, if there are genuine demands, you should ensure that it is done so. And time is also the essence. You cannot just go on from month to month, year to year.
May I pray, Your Lordship, let them file an affidavit how this money.
Satisfy this affidavit, Lordship.
Please do that.
Yes.
Today is
Today
Today is 6, Your Lordship.
do it by 12. We'll fix this matter on 12.
Lordship.
Happy kind of thing.
I think 12, so many, if I'm not wrong, Your Lordship has
And
on
13.
12 has 6 number or a number of cases, Your Lordship.
Kalai. 16.
16 on Monday. Because we will have to reconcile all these statements.
But do it. You cannot.
We will do it.
You cannot leave them. You cannot leave them. Hanging.
Lordship, because there are some amounts also which has not been released so far as the share is concerned. We will file an affidavit detail.
90 crores, Your Lordship. The state affidavit, 90 crores, Your Lordship, had been released. Lordship, let them also file an affidavit how this money is being utilized.
Needless to say, you are in the place of an employer who is, what should I say, fix or whose duty and responsibility is for the welfare of your employees. So in any way that you choose to do, you have to comply with whatever is required, whatever is due to them. You cannot just shirk responsibility and say that we have not received funds or so on and so forth. You have to do that.
Let him have the instruction, Your Lordship.
And Mr. Shulai has clearly said that the funds have been disbursed.
Lordship, let him have instruction, Your Lordship.
16 would be too late. Why not by Friday then? 13?
13, Lordship.
Mr. Shulai learned AG has submitted that an affidavit have been filed. Bring you on record. Where is your affidavit?
Lordship, the amount of share.
Paragraph 4.
Lordship, kindly have paragraph 4 of the affidavit. The share of royalty, Your Lordship. This is the share of royalty, Your Lordship.
The statement that the share of
Royalty, Your Lordship.
due and payable to the GHADC being 90, 95, 34, 709 rupees. 90 crores, 95 lakhs, 34,709 have been sanctioned and released for the year to 2025-26. Mr. M.L. Lumpur, learned counsel for the respondent JHDC, has sought for time to seek instruction and clarification as far as this statement is concerned. Accordingly, let an affidavit be filed. Let a response to this affidavit be filed by the said respondent JHDC within the next date fix. This is matter on 13.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 7.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Conducting counsel is having some connectivity issue, and for the petitioner, short accommodation may be given.
No objection, Your Lordship.
on pre-made by the Miss. Your name?
A Bora. A Bora. And similar prayer for the item number 8 also.
On pre-made by Miss Ebora, land counsel of the petitioner, seeking accommodation on the ground that the conducting counsel is indisposed. That is adjourned. Let's see after 2 weeks. 2 weeks then.
Highly obliged.
Item number 10.
Please, Lordship.